Hi, my name is Milan. I'm sales representative of TAF, Czech Republic. We are in here at ISE 2024, and I would like to represent our biggest Truss TT104. It's a main cord of 60 millimeter by 6 millimeter wall thickness. It's ready for big structures, big roof systems, ground supports, and it's our biggest truss system in our portfolio. It's made of 6082 aluminum, and it's robotic welding of the female fittings and manually welded on diagonals. It's equipped with wheels for easy transportation and easy handling. All the trusses has a TUV certification and static reports, and can be powder coated to the black or any raw color scale. If you would like to receive more information, go to our website www.taf.cz. Thank you very much.